Have you ever wondered what happens inside a car? Well, inside most cars, there's an engine that burns fuel to create power. This process is called combustion, and it happens thousands of times every minute while the car is still running. Combustion happens when fuel mixes with air and is ignited by a spark. This spark comes from a small part inside the engine called the spark plug. And when the fuel burns, it releases a large amount of energy very quickly. And this energy pushes parts inside the engine called pistons, and the pistons move up and down repeatedly, and these motions help to move the car. So every time a car accelerates, climbs a hill, or even starts moving, combustion is happening again and again inside the engine. Without combustion, most cars we use today wouldn't be able to move at all.
When fuel burns inside the engine, it releases energy mainly as heat. This heat makes gases expand very fast. The expanding gases push the piston down with a strong force. That force turns another part called the crankshaft. The crankshaft changes the up and down motion of the pistons into a spinning motion. The spinning motion is sent through the transmissions to the wheels, making the car move forward. This type of reaction is called an exothermic reaction, which simply means it releases energy. Cars use this energy to do many things. They move forward, climb mountains, carry heavy loads, and even travel long distances. However, combustion also produces gases that can pollute the air. That is why engineers work hard and make engines more efficient and cleaner.
Another important part of an engine is how motion is transferred. Inside the engine, the piston moves straight up and down, but the wheels need to spin in circles. This happens because of a clever mechanical connection between the piston and the car's crankshaft. The angle of this connection affects how smooth the engine runs, how much power it produces, and how much fuel it uses. If the angle is designed well, the engine works efficiently and lasts longer. Engineers study these angles and engine timing carefully so cars can use less fuel and create less pollution. Today, many new cars are designed to be more efficient or even use electricity to reduce emissions. In conclusion, car engines work because fuel burns and releases energy. That energy moves the pistons, turns the wheel, and powers vehicles. Understanding combustion helps engineers build safer, cleaner, and more efficient transportation.